In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord lagging voice or microphone cutting out on Discord. If your friends say your voice cuts in and out, or you hear weird dips and spikes, one of the most common causes is Discord's automatic input sensitivity. It tries to guess when you're speaking, but it can get it wrong, especially with quiet voices, louder keyboards, or changing background noise. The fix is simple. Turn that automation off and set the sensitivity yourself so your voice comes through clearly every time. Start by opening Discord and clicking the small gear icon in the bottom left corner to open user settings. In the menu on the left, select Voice and Video. This is where all your microphone and speaker controls live. Find the option called Automatically Adjust Input Sensitivity and turn it off. When you disable it, a sensitivity slider and a live input bar appear. Speak at your normal volume and watch the input bar move. Slide the sensitivity slightly left if your words are getting chopped off at the beginning or mid-sentence, which means the threshold is too high. Slide it a bit right if it's picking up breathing, background hum, or constant noise, which means the threshold is too low. The goal is simple. Your voice should consistently register while softer background sounds stay below the threshold. Take a few moments to dial this in. Small adjustments make a big difference. Next, expand or scroll to the advanced section. Here, turn off automatic gain control. This feature raises and lowers your mic volume on the fly, which can cause pumping and sudden volume shifts that feel like lag. Then find attenuation and disable it or set it to 0. Attenuation lowers the volume of other sounds while you're in voice chat, which can create the impression that audio is ducking or dropping unexpectedly. Now scroll back to the top of the voice and video page and use the mic test. Press the test button, speak naturally for a few seconds, and listen to the playback. You're listening for a steady, even volume without dropouts, clipping, or sudden fades. If you still hear cuts, nudge the sensitivity slider a little and test again until it sounds clean and consistent. That's all. With automatic sensitivity off, attenuation and gain control disabled, and your threshold set correctly, your voice should be smooth and reliable. Close settings and jump back into your call with confidence.